Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to create 3 amazing and simple drawings, all starting with the lettering. Envelopes, Eagle, Edelweiss. This is a fun and easy drawing tutorial, perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone who loves to get creative with letters. First, we'll start with something simple, in envelopes. Envelopes are used to send letters and messages, and they are super easy to draw. Let's make 2 different color and types of envelopes. Don't forget to making soft line on the bottom of the envelope lid. Simple envelopes done. We take it for a while to focus on the next draw. Next, let's create something a little more detailed, but still simple. A majestic eagle. By adding wings, a beak, and some feathers, we can bring this incredible bird to life. Eagles symbolize strength and freedom, and they are one of the most recognizable birds in the world. Don't worry if you're a beginner, just follow along step by step, and soon you'll have your own eagle drawing. We make some basic sketch, and afterwards we erase some lines that aren't needed. Some details for the wing feathers. color the beak and a large correction of its legs to make it look balanced. Make the eyes look sharp and dashing. Now we make the tail feathers. We will color the tail and head feathers with white. We will change the background first so that the coloring can be seen later. Colors for shadows in some corners. Done. Lastly, we'll turn an elegant Edelweiss flower. This rare and beautiful mountain flower is famous in European folklore and represents purity and courage. While in Asia, this flower is symbolized as a symbol of immortality and deep love. There are so many different shapes of this flower, different places often different shapes. We choose the simplest shape to draw. few simple strokes. We'll add petals, a stem, and some details to make the flower look delicate and natural. Done. Last thing we draw the E letter. Everything is done. Now we arrange the pictures one by one. And it's done. Quotes for today. Failure is not the end, but a lesson. Stand up, keep fighting, and turn your struggles into strengths. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.